welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you about why we use cold water instead of hot water to wash our hair. I made a diagram. So, as you can see, you should always wash your hair with cold water. Why? Why do you say? So when we use hot water, we're opening the pores of our skin, right? It's the same concept with hair. When our hair pores, actually called the cuticle, but we'll just call it hair pores for terminology. When our hair pores are open, it allows our color molecules to slide out. Cold water also helps reduce frizz and tangling. Ooh. So I've drawn an example. This is what the hair strand would look like if we were washing it with hot water. So this would be obviously the pores. And right here is my example color molecule. There we go. So obviously that's gonna be able to slide out through those hair pores, right? Well, let's come over here. You see how small the pores are when we wash with cold water. So I want you to compare, okay? See? Now look at this color molecule. It's not gonna be able to slide out. Well, you know what, I take that back. Okay, look, there are some up here and maybe here. Okay, so that's about 3% of our color versus 75. I'll take this side any day. If you're at home, washing your hair, shampoo, condition, cold water. Rinse, cold water. You don't wanna get it on your whole body? Go to Walmart, get a hose, 10 bucks, okay? Just hook it up, wash your whole body, whatever, and then at the end of your shower, so you don't have to let the cold water run over you, flip your head upside down, shampoo, scalp only, condition, mid to ends, okay? You don't need to condition your scalp, and you don't need to shampoo all the way through, especially if you have colored hair. So my hair is kind of purple right now. That's a little faded. But I don't bring the shampoo all the way out to my ends unless I've used a lot of hairspray or wax or something, which with it being so hot out, I don't do so much anymore. Anyways, use cold water. Stylists, please use cold water on your guests. If they don't like it, tell them to suck it up. I hope you guys have a great hump day. Tiggs and I are gonna go for a beautiful walk in this great weather. Ciao.